Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to merge two tables in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So there are two tables in this document and our task is to merge them. Select the last row in the first table and right click. In the context menu that appears, select Insert Row below. Now go to the second table, select it entirely and click the right mouse button. In the context menu, select Copy or Cut. If you select Cut, the table will be deleted from this place, so be careful. We return to the first table and select the first cell of the last row. Right-click and select Insert. The tables are merged. If you need to insert a second table in the middle of the first one, then you will need to insert as many empty rows so that the second table fits. If you don't do this, then you will override the data of the first table with the data of the second. Be careful. And that's it. Now in Automa,